ReAlign is an exclusive Velox feature that supports contact intelligence technology. It enables unattended testing over multiple temperatures for probe cards on the CM300XI by automatically aligning probe to pads. It is recommended especially for applications with limited microscope view, such as vertical and pyramid probe cards, or when using a test head. Apart from the microscope, 3 system-integrated cameras provide a view of the needles, from the side, to continuously monitor contact accuracy, from the bottom to visualize the probe tips, and an additional view of the wafer from the top to view the pads, align the wafer and generate a Z profile. After the wafer has been loaded and the probe card is installed, the user starts to train ReAlign by clicking on the ReAlign button. The ReAlign wizard guides through the process of setting up the probe to pad alignment. ReAlign leads to faster time to data by supporting autonomous semiconductor test. It enables automatic readjustment when probing on small pads and over multiple temperatures, and increases productivity by eliminating idle time waiting for operator intervention. The trained alignment can be reused for all wafers of one lot. ReAlign, one more feature that makes Velox the most powerful engineering software in the market.